After you allow the first coat of polish to dry, you're going to want to apply a second coat. The first coat is just to cover up the natural nail. The second coat is to actually bring the true color and the richness of the color out. I'm going to start with your same nail. If you get too much polish on the brush, make sure you wipe it off. You don't want any dripping down. The color that we're using on Joyce today is I'm Not Really a Waitress Red from OPI. It is their most popular color. They have so many that to choose from, but this color complements her skin tone. And again, you can go underneath the free edge just to give it a little extra protection. Try not to get it on the skin or the cuticle. If you do, you can always go back and remove it. But you want to make sure that you have a nice second coat. You can dry the polish under a light or a fan. The heat from the lamp or the coolness from the fan will allow the lacquer to dry. Once you get done with the second hand, the very last nail that you do, you're going to again want to go around, just recheck every nail, make sure that you don't get any on the skin. If you have, just re-dip your brush in acetone. You don't want to get too much on the brush, but you want to get just enough to kind of clean up the nail, right around the nail. And that is how you apply a second coat of polish to fingernails.